I'ma drop that. I'ma drop that.
What is up, y'all? It's your favorite. I'm here back again with another video for you guys. As y'all can tell by the title of today's video, the girl's back again with another wig install, as I should. So I'm actually very excited because your girl been looking bummy for the past few hours, actually, because I just took my other lace off like early this morning. Yeah, not too long ago. But this is basically gonna be a transformation from a bum to a baddie, because the girl gotta look cute, get cute. And y'all probably asking like, why you getting cute for? Just for me, babe, not for nobody else. I'm finna get cute for me, okay? As y'all can also tell by the title of this video is sponsored. This video is sponsored by Nadula hair, and I want to thank them so much for sending me this. When I seen them email me, I was like, they emailed me? Like, come on, okay, big girl moves. Yeah, I want to thank Nadula hair for sponsoring this video. This is their box. Their box is nice and black, and I actually never seen no hair company have their box like this color, black of course. And it's actually pretty nice. I actually love the box. It says be confident, be bold, be you, and that's very super cute and very inspiring. I'm gonna open the box. Here is the goodies that they sent me, and I'm about to show y'all the hair in a second. So the first thing in here is a pair of false lashes. So I want to thank them for sending me this, because you already know your girl is a baddie when I have lashes on. The next thing in here is the edge brush. I literally just lost my other one, like my black one. So I want to thank them so much for sending me this one, because babe, my edges was not going to be popping today if I did not have a new one. They also sent me not just one wig cap but two. So yeah, I'm going to be using one of these in today's video. And the last thing that was in this bag was some earrings. So these are super cute. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's bedazzling, as y'all can see. And the last thing they sent me was this cute rhinestone headband. I've seen this everywhere. These were trendy. I don't know if they're still trendy now, but this is so cute. Yeah, this is actually so cute. I'm pretty sure this is gold, as y'all can see. This is the headband. Anyways, if I haven't mentioned, this hair is a 26-inch straight lace, and it's not no regular lace. It's not no regular lace, baby. It's a transparent lace, HD lace. I don't know what's the difference between those, but I'm just say transparent lace because that's the lace that they sent me. So this is a 13x4 transparent lace. So you already know I always come through with the coupon codes. My code will be on the screen, also in the description box down below, along with the link to this hair, their contact info, their Instagram, and all of that. So make sure you guys check my description box. Make sure y'all do that. And I'm pretty sure this was bleached and pre-plucked already. You already know your girl can't really do all of that, so I want to thank them for having this pre-plucked and pre-bleached, because girl. But yeah, this is the lace. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. It looks bleached, and I'm pretty sure y'all can see that. So this is the hair. It's very soft. Y'all can see my fingers go right through this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be giving inches. Y'all, do not come for me for my egghead, because I am fully aware that I have one.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bro. What you do?
Okay, you already know what's next. I'm gonna spray this got to be glue on my forehead, y'all. Oh, I forgot to lay my edges back. Oh, let me do that real quick. I'm not gonna be having no edges after I take this wig off, because no, I'm not gonna be looking like some of y'all. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, y'all. But for real, you want to make sure your edges are laid back when you install wigs. This glue don't come to play. It can be any glue though. Yeah, it can be any type of glue. Just make sure you don't get that stuff on your edges. And also, when you taking off your laces, like your wigs or whatever, make sure y'all taking them off right. I'm about to take some alcohol and put it like on my forehead, because you know I gotta get this glue off my forehead before I install this lace real quick. Y'all, so y'all know the makeup that I put, well, y'all obviously don't know, but the makeup that I put last time was better than this one, and I can't find that one right now, so I'm gonna have to use this one. This shade is a little bit more, it's like a little bit more orange, you know, so it's kind of really not my skin color. There's no makeup here that is my skin color. I have to work with this, but my lace still be laid though. Like, let's not lie, my laces still be laid, so I should not be complaining.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
As y'all can see, this is a free part. Like, I could do a middle part, side part, triangle part, square part, whatever type of part I want to. And y'all, I don't know, like, I don't know if it's just me, but like every time I get a wig sent to me, these wigs always fit my head, because my head is not too big nor is it too small. I feel like it's just right, because I never have to tell them get a bigger size or whatnot. Every time I get a wig sent by anybody, they tend to fit on my head, but all I have to do is cut the ear tab, to be honest. For people that ask me what type of glue did I use for my lace, I use Ghost Bond glue. Do not mind how it looks, because it's just rusty, because this glue has been all over the place. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I don't know if I want to do edges. To be honest, look cute with or without edges, so it don't even matter. But this hair, I really want to do edges. So, y'all, it's giving scalp. Y'all, don't mind this part, but I know y'all see, giving very much natural.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Waiting for this hot comb to heat up, and I'm also waiting for my flat iron to heat up. I didn't do my edges yet because I wanted to, you know, straighten my hair first and do all of that first, so that's what I'm gonna do first. So y'all see your girl did that. Stop playing with me.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
So yeah, this is the longest inch in this hair, which is 26 inches, and I'm not even that tall, so it goes to my waist. Oh my god, I did a very good job, y'all. I most definitely improved with installing laces on my stuff and stuff, but y'all, I am loving this on me. Like, I've never really had like a long middle part straight lace like this before, and then again, this is a transparent lace. Like, baby, this is giving scalp. I'm on my edges, y'all. I'm not the best at doing edges. I'm trying, y'all. Okay, let me see how this headband look on me, because I never actually had one of these before. I don't know how y'all be putting these on. Right here, I don't know if y'all put them on like right here. Y'all, I don't know what's the best angle for y'all to see this, but this is the hair. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I just posted some pictures on my Instagram stories, so y'all probably blowing up my phone now anyways. But anyways, I want to thank Nadula hair for sending me this hair. This hair is getting what's supposed to be gay. Just a reminder, this is 26 inches. This is a straight transparent wig. Everything will be in the description box down below, along with their website, the hair link, and my discount code. It will also be on the screen, so you guys can get some money off y'all orders when ordering from them. You will not gonna regret your purchase, and their shipping is actually very fast. Sometimes it gives you an estimated day, but it actually comes like 2-3 days before then. That's good. So yeah, this came in like a week or less than a week for me. So I can't speak for other people, but for me it came in almost less than a week. Yeah, like I said, check my description box. So make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell so you won't miss out any latest videos. And yeah, love y'all. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye. See you in the next video.